Good morning, it is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video. A little context, took a long weekend. Actually went to Kansas City where I lived for a few years to visit. So I'm feeling kind of out of it. So we'll see how this goes. But market opens up in less than 1 minute. But yeah, definitely didn't trade on Friday, didn't trade on Monday. It is now Tuesday. The market's now open, so let's see how things unfold. All right, looking like I could potentially get my first fill here at 38.75 on FIT. You can see the big gap down here, so I do have an initial order in right there. So I'll keep you up to date on that order. Oh, now it's pulling back, so we'll see. All right, I picked up some shares here. Of SINA. At 51.01, I got 100 shares off. Just buying the pullback here. Would like to accumulate some more shares here on this current pullback. So I have a couple of orders to sell at $15 and then $20. So let's see if I can get out some of those. Now it's just slowing down. All right, I'm gonna get all out there. Don't like how it's hovering. I think it's gonna pull back some more. And watch it bounce here, but yep, there I could have gotten out some more, but just wasn't feeling it, so I wanted to just hop out. So $7 there. Thinking, do I want to put a little too choppy? I guess not even a million shares yet. So I'm gonna see what else I can find, but just not quite feeling this one. Well, I'll put an order out there. I mean, if I can get a fishing order down at about 50.25. I'd be fine with that. So 50.25, I'll put that out there, and I'm gonna look around for some other stocks. All right, potentially gonna get filled here on some AMAG. Well, it was close. It got up as high as 73, and I had the order in at 75. I'll keep you posted. All right, I'm trying to cancel this order here, and it's not going. And I did pick up some shares here of ATVI, so nothing like some broker problems. Right when it's probably not a good time to have broker problems, but so I'm gonna keep an eye on that. Try to get some more shares here on ATVI. Just put an order out there to cover at 34.45. Okay, so I got those. All right, so I'm going to pause, and I'm actually going to restart my broker and see what's going on with this one. So I got to restart. I would have liked to stayed in this one a little bit longer, but like I said, I'm not real sure what's going on with this, so I need to just quickly go and address that. Well, I totally lucked out here. I came back and they did give me shares. So this is none other than some luck that's going in my favor here. So yeah, let's just kind of sit back and see what happens with this one. But looks like 34.80's got quite a few buyers there. But yeah, like I said, this is I'm not going to say there's no skill, because charts definitely help to put in a very logical area to enter into the position, but there is luck involved in terms of just not knowing whether or not I got filled and then focusing on another position. So I'm not going to say that this is all just pure random luck, because it's not random. I put that entry order in there for a reason. So I'll move that down. Okay, and out there at 34.80. So made $174 on that trade. So that was a nice little trade there. And I'm just looking at some other stands. But yeah, like I said, was there some luck involved? There are, certainly. But that also just shows, you know, why there's power in using charts, having a plan, having a system, because, you know, the entry point there was not luck. I put it there for a specific reason, and you know, it worked out well, as you saw there. So $174 on that trade. I'm glad I restarted it. So let's see if I can capture maybe one more trade. It's 10 o'clock. Market's been open an hour, or excuse me, a half an hour. But I still got quite a few cobwebs going. Before I forget, one of the key questions and most popular questions I get is, how am I finding these stocks to trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I'm using to locate these stocks you know, that I obviously find potential in. So if you're interested in that, think it may add some value to you as a trader, then go ahead, click right there, and I will email it to you. Like I said, it's totally free, so it's risk-free, but there's a lot of reward. So it's a good risk versus reward relationship here. In case, you know, if it really helps you out, then that's fantastic. So, but like I said, just doing this more to try to save myself and everybody time. So if you're curious what tools am I using, just go ahead and click right there. Let's see if I can find one more trade. I am still looking. All right, have an order to short 500 shares of Visa here at 77.35. So we'll see if it can get up there or not. I will keep you updated. All right, I have an order to short at 77.47. If I get filled, I'm going to put a stop right there at 52. So I'm going to risk 5 cents here. But first step is it needs to get filled up there at 77.47. So we'll see if it can get up there or not. All right, we're getting somewhat close. We were entering into the 40s. All right, I'll pause it again. I'd like to capture the entry point there, but we'll see what happens. All right, I still have my order sitting out here, but it's just kind of now just hovering around. So I'm just going to go ahead and cancel that. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and cancel that. And with that, I'm just going to wrap things up. It's 10:15. I got a lot of other stuff I got to do. Like I said, I've been gone for basically the Friday and then Monday. So I got other things regarding the website that I got to get taken care of. So apologize I couldn't get another trade, but it is what it is. So any questions, comments, leave those below. Click that like button and you know, little things like that. Tell me you are still enjoying these videos, and I'll keep on making them. So I guess a decent morning, given I feel so kind of out of the loop, but it is what it is. So everybody have a good rest of the week.